Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all are doing good today. So, another exciting day with green double digit numbers. A lot of the coins going up, and one of the main ones is Binance Coin. So, we're going to talk about that as well as a couple altcoin picks that we have and some BTC ETH technical analysis. So, with that, let's go ahead and get started. So, Binance Coin has been up 24.5% today to $593. It's been on a tear recently, and it was actually a coin that we alerted in our Discord group. You can see on March 27th, we actually said also keep an eye on Cake and BNB along with Soul. So Cake and BNB have been doing really, really well lately. Basically, Cake I think is up almost 18% today as well. You can see up to 18% to 27.21. So those were great calls in our group. And basically, the main reason why I chose those coins was because I was seeing that the Binance Smart Chain was getting a lot of traction. No one wanted to pay those exorbitant fees on Uniswap. So a lot of people will be migrating over to the Binance Smart Chain. And hence, a lot of these IDOs, you need to have BNB tokens as well for these different IDOs. So it was just kind of an easy pick there. And we can see it's actually played out really well for us. Now, a couple other altcoins that we called in the Discord group recently is actually Popsicle Finance and 11.finance. So we see Popsicle Finance right now is $7.42. So actually, we'll go ahead and look in the Discord group on when we called Popsicle Finance here. So I'll go ahead and scroll down to it. And let me go ahead and scroll up here so you can see. So we can see here that Popsicle Finance, we actually called it. It was actually ended up being called at $3.15. And that was one of our Discord members called that out. And now you can see here, I also recommended it again. It was at $6.54. And now it's at $7.42. And then the next coin I mentioned as well, I said keep an eye on 11.finance. And you can see here that that was $5.70. That was actually just yesterday. And then we'll go ahead and look what's the price at now. So we'll go ahead and go back here. And I believe 11.finance is actually, it's on CoinGecko only, and it's $7.21 right now. So up 37%, literally pretty much the same day that we called it. So a lot of these coins, they're being called in the Discord group. If you want to join, go ahead and message me on Twitter, DM for a small fee. We can join either monthly or lifetime. But we're really researching these coins, and 11.finance is actually, it's a vault. Basically, it's a vault provider. So for a lot of liquidity pools, you can see here they already have 14 million staked for TVL, total value locked, but that's not actually a lot at all. And this coin isn't even on CoinMarketCap. It's only on CoinGecko right now. You can buy it on PancakeSwap. You can see all you have to do is just add it to your MetaMask, and then you can go to PancakeSwap, and you can actually buy it on there. You can see here with BNB. So it's been a great coin. This is one I think is going to do really well in the future. Actually, they were just audited, and they just passed that audit as of today by Solidity Finance. And so you can see the whole audit report here. Basically, they passed everything. And then right now they're really, you can see their Medium article, and they're always adding new vault pairs. So expect this coin to be talked about a lot. ELE, 11.finance, one I think is really big. And then again, Popsicle Finance. They're actually the next gen cross yield enhancement platform focusing on AMM liquidity providers. So again, AMMs are really, really big right now. Just like Nerve Finance, that was a big one for stable coins. And we saw how big Nerve Finance got. I mean, look at that thing. It's at 458. We called it at 50 cents in the Discord group. So again, real big stuff there. If you want to join, go ahead and hit me up on Twitter. Links up on the top of the screen, or message me on Discord as well. And so with that, let's go ahead and go to some analysis. So Bitcoin right now on the 4-hour, we can see we have this little wedge playing out on the 4-hour. These support resistance lines, it actually is hitting up against that resistance right now near its all-time highs, 60,700. Now, right now, you can see the wedge drawn that it can, if it breaks this, it still can go up to about 61,580 and potentially retesting the support of 60,700 and then bouncing to the upside from there. But again, this resistance is acting pretty strong right now. We can see the MFI Pro curving, starting to curve to the downside. The RSI is starting to level out a little bit, but the MACD is still curving to the upside. So could potentially continue past this, but again, it is starting to get a little bit exhausted. The whales buy sell indicator did flash a buy signal. Would have got you in at 60,130 for the small little pump we've had so far. But again, right now, little exhaustion happening here. We could have a little stop and then retest this trend line resistance at 60,200, and then possibly falling further down to this resistance, or sorry, support of 59,700. So those levels to keep an eye out for. And then finally going over Ethereum. So Ethereum on the 4-hour right now, you can see here, we did have this little downward channel it was bouncing around in. It finally broke that. And now it's retested this support here at 2135. And now we have this trend line that it's riding. And if it can continue higher, then definitely going to expect new all-time highs for Ethereum. But right now, if it wants to curve to the downside, expecting it to retest this trend line at 2163 and then further down at this support of 2135. So those two levels, possibly some good DCAs into those. And then if it falls down to the next support, looking here at around $2,000. But on the 4-hour, the MFI Pro is curving to the downside. RSI is starting to level out, but MACD is bouncing off of that signal line there, which is very, very bullish here. So definitely something to keep an eye out. VP extractor here actually got you in, would have got you in way early here at 1973. That has not flashed a sell signal yet. So again, some bullish signs, but also some bearish signs. As long as this MACD stays above the signal line here, looking for some more bullish action here, and as long as it can maintain this trend line and support as well. So keep these levels in mind for possible buy levels or take profit levels / stop loss levels. But with that, if y'all had any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Again, if you want to join the Discord group, message me on Twitter or Discord. And again, thanks for watching. Until next time.